And that, ladies and gents, has to be one of the cleanest SVRs I've seen. You let us know what you think. Dyno Gray, full body STEK PPF, colored. Just look at the finish. I'd be shocked if anybody actually thought this was wrap. Factory carbon. And again, completely hydrophobic, scratch free. This gloss is gonna look like this and stay like this for years to come. We did VOSSEN HF7s. It's a brand new wheel. We did the 23s wrapped in hand-cooked tires in a silver polished finish. I'm in love. Let us know what you guys think. We're excited to see what kind of heads this turns on the road. Stay tuned and get ready for more.